Welcome to our guide on what documents to send to the business mailroom in Docyt. The business mailroom is a central location for receiving important statements needed for closing books and any other miscellaneous documents necessary for bookkeeping. Here are the types of documents that business owners should send to the business mailroom: bank and credit card statements. If business owners cannot grant view-only direct access to their financial accounts, they should send their bank and credit card statements to the business mailroom. Payroll reports. If business owners cannot grant read-only direct access to their payroll system, they should send their payroll reports to the business mailroom. Loan statements. Business owners should also send their loan statements to the business mailroom. This helps the account managers keep track of the business's debts and ensure accurate financial reporting. Merchant statements from payment processors, if required by the business. If the account manager needs merchant statements from payment processors, they can be sent to the business mailroom. To access the business mailroom, navigate to the Documents menu and select Mailroom from the drop-down options. Click the blue plus button to open a document upload window. Alternatively, you can send the documents to the email address of your specific mailbox, which you will find written on the top left side of the page. After clicking the blue plus button, a window will appear for you to upload your file. Add the document to proceed. By sending these various documents to the business mailroom, business owners can ensure that their account managers have all the necessary information to manage their books and financial records accurately. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.